Hold on. Okay, so this is the December 2011, December 24th edition of the Loud Noise game, which Uncle Teddy is going to win for sure. Ready, guys? Are we ready?
No, first.
All right, ready? Okay, first me.
1, 2, 3.
Score. Now, Preston.
No, it's oldest.
Okay, oldest. Spencer, ready? 1. All right, make a good showing for the 12-year-olds. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not working. It's not working because you're not making the loud noise face. Got to make the loud noise face. All right. You got score for length, but not for volume. Preston? That's good. Addison, bring us home. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll try it again. Addison, 1, 2, 3. You sound like you have a pretty big frog in your throat. 1, 2, 3. Don't do it. Addison's lost his scream, man.
Do like a man.
Addison's lost his scream.
Oh no! He loses then.
All right, so who won the game then?
No, I'm going. I was just.
Okay, let's see what you got. That was a good scream. All right, let's give Uncle Teddy another try. Ready?
We're all gonna do it twice.
1, 2, 3. Spence? P? Addison?
Instead of my scream, I'll just do the worm.
Okay, do the worm.
Okay.
Is that all you got?
It's hard.
Do it on the carpet. It doesn't hurt as much.
Yeah.
You hit your acorns? Let's see what you got, buddy. That was a good scream right there. Hey man, you should try your girl scream now. I bet you got it back now. Winner! We have a winner!